Good morning, students. We are going to start chapter 3 Phrases and Clauses. Remember, beta, there no need to write anything neither in your fair copy nor in rough copy. I repeat my words, there's no need to write anything. Only understand chapter, okay? Phrases. Both phrases and clauses are basic component of writing sentence. Phrases and clauses are basic component of writing sentence. When combined with other parts of speech, when they join or added with other parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and other parts of sentence, subject and predicate. They help build a system through which our words convey meaning. They build a system or make a system which our words convey complete or clear meaning. Okay. Phrases are groups of words without a subject. There is no subject and a verb of their own, and they don't have their own verb. Alone they do not make sense. Without adding any other words, they do not make sense. They make sense only when they are added to another group of words. When we add more words with phrases that make complete sense to combine each other. For example, near a shop. Near shop, there is no meaning of this phrase. On my request. For my sake. When we use or added other group of words, then these phrases will give a complete sense, complete meaning. Like, my father is waiting for me near a shop. When we added my father is waiting for me, then it will convey meaning. Come to the second point. Second sentence. They stayed here for 2 days on my request. On my request. When we added they stayed here for 2 days, then it convey meaning. Now come to the third sentence. Leave this place for my sake. Here for my sake is not giving any meaning. When we added leave this place, then it will make a complete sense. Okay. Look at some other examples. He came to visit me last evening. Full stop. He came to visit me last evening. To visit me last evening is a phrase, but to visit me last evening is a phrase because there is no subject in it linked to a verb. When we added he came, then it make a complete sentence. Look at sentence 2. She left without saying goodbye. She left without saying goodbye. Without saying goodbye is a phrase because there is no subject in it and to link verb. Okay, no subject to link it a verb. Look at some other sentence. They study in this class. In this class is a phrase because it doesn't have subject and its own verb. Now come to sentence 4. He joined the team at the last moment. Here at the last moment is a phrase because it doesn't have any subject and to link its verb. Okay,